So today I'm making protein powder. So I put this in my water bottles and drink it every day. And you know, you can make it any way you want. I'll show you what I put in it, but you know, you can throw in the whole kitchen sink, whatever floats your boat, whatever taste you want. I like strawberry. I just wanted to have the consistency of kind of like a smoothie. And so I've played with lots of things over the years, but this is what I come up with. And when I do a resupply, I just make it ahead, put it in a Ziploc, and transfer it to my CNOC bottle when I get my resupply box. And it usually lasts me, you know, I'll just have, I don't even measure it. I just pour it in. Now that I've got the Amigo bottles, it's so easy to pour in. I just do it by look, you know, what the consistency looks like. It tastes the same whether it's thick or thin. Anyway, I'll show you what the recipe is. A lot of you have asked about it, and you might want to make something similar. So I'll put the recipe at the end of the video, but you know, the big four would be my Nido fortified dry whole milk, organic protein powder, strawberries, what I use, PB2, I use chocolate PB2, and coconut milk powder. And you could substitute any of these things with, you know, whatever floats your boat. I take the sliced freeze-dried strawberries and I grind them up in a coffee grinder, which you can buy at any Goodwill for $2-3 bucks. I think I paid $3 for this thing. Cocoa powder, chia seeds. This time I put coconut flour in, but usually I put oat flour. I didn't have any. Brown sugar. Yeah, I think that's about it. That's probably enough. Anyway, I'll put the recipe at the back of the video here, and if you got any questions, put them in the comments. Keep smiling.